Hello everyone, it's Valerie. I just wanted to make a quick video because yesterday I had my first consultation with my surgeon and I wanted to give you guys just a quick update on what happened. First off, I was happy enough just to find the building because if you haven't already watched my other consultation video, last week when I was supposed to meet with him, I couldn't even find the building, so just being able to get there and only having to make one U-turn in the process made me happy enough. So once I got in there, I got to talk to the receptionist, and she even remembered me from last week trying to call and get directions to the building so much. But then she just gave me the paperwork to fill out, and then after that, she just made a photocopy of my driver's license and my insurance card. And I know I haven't made an official intro video yet, but for those of you who are wondering, I'm 5'2" and weigh 250 pounds. Well, actually, yesterday when he weighed me, the scale said 248, but I just round up to 250. I mean, is that wrong that I round up? I mean, it's only 2 little pounds, and I know every pound counts, but my weight constantly goes up and down all the time. That, and I think I'm just a little bit too lazy to say 248 pounds because although I'm not going to count exactly how many syllables are there, 250 I know is a lot quicker and easier for me to say. Anywho, after he did all that, he basically told me that my BMI was high enough to have surgery, and then he just asked if I had a preference to whether I wanted lap band or gastric bypass. So when I answered gastric bypass almost instantly, all he really did was ask what my motives were or my thought process behind the choice was, and he just let it go from there because I guess he had seen I had done so much of my research on my own, so he knew I had an educated decision. And even though I had already told him that I just finished up my 6-month supervised diet with my PCP, he said it would be a good idea to still do the 3-month weigh-in with his office. That way I go once a month, and he said I could have done it with my regular doctor, but it would be best to do it with his company because that way they can fill out the paperwork so that the insurance doesn't put up a fight. I guess that was the one thing that did strike me different, or I guess unexpected about the visit, because I guess part of me had already figured that I was already done with my supervised diets and weigh-ins since I had already done 6 or 7 months of that with my PCP. But I mean, it really wasn't that big of a deal to me because, you know, I wasn't planning on having a surgery date before April. So the fact that I'll just have to wait till April, you know, that's good enough for me. So as of right now, I really don't have any clue when my surgery would be because if I finish his 3-month supervised weigh-in, I guess, that'll be in April. So I don't know if he's going to be able to submit any of the paperwork to the insurance company before then or after then, and then it all depends on how quickly they approve me and then if he has availability for, you know, his schedule. So over the next 3 months, all I really have to do is just make an appointment with the nutritionist and his psychologist, but I'm not really sure what to expect from that. So my question for you guys is, how did your first consultation go? Did you have anything else in particular to do after you met with your surgeon? Besides, you know, the regular weigh-in or meeting with the nutritionist and the psychologist. And even though I already have a sort of general idea of what's going to happen with those 2 appointments, I would still really love to hear all your comments and responses to what you went through. If there was anything crazy or just, you know, the basic stuff that you guys went over. Whether it was just stuff that's happened in your past, like past eating history, or if you've had any other things like mental illnesses or stuff like that going on, or if it was just mainly geared toward, I don't know, stuff that would really be relating to you post-op, like what your diet would be afterwards, or if there was anything else too crazy going on. But I'm just looking outside because I see my mom coming home and no one in my family knows yet that I'm making videos. But hopefully this week maybe I'll be able to make another video, but I can't really guarantee anything. But until then, take care.